Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a used golf bag. First, completely empty all pockets and compartments. Take out everything, including golf balls, tees, and any personal items. Next, detach any removable straps or accessories like rain hoods. Finally, use a soft brush or cloth to gently remove loose dirt and debris from the bag's exterior surfaces. This prepares your bag for a deeper clean. Now let's tackle the exterior. Prepare a cleaning solution by mixing a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water in a bucket. Dip a soft bristled brush or sponge into the solution and gently scrub the bag's outer fabric. Focus on any visible stains or particularly dirty spots. Avoid harsh chemicals as they can damage the material. Work in small sections for best results. After cleaning the exterior, wipe down the inside of all pockets and compartments with a damp cloth to remove any lingering dirt or residue. Once the entire bag is clean, rinse the exterior thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap. It's crucial to ensure no soap remains. Finally, hang the bag upside down or in a well-ventilated area to air dry completely. Avoid direct sunlight or heat. To keep your golf bag looking great, consider applying a fabric protector spray once it's fully dry. This helps repel water and dirt, making future cleaning easier. Reattach all the straps and accessories you removed earlier. When not in use, store your clean golf bag in a dry, cool place, away from extreme temperatures or humidity. Regular light cleaning will extend its life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.